So next method in the stream API is the pick method. So we have seen limit, skip method. So now next one is the pick method. So pick method is uh, basically used for the debugging purpose. So let me explain. Suppose I have this list of the string, right, words. Now I want to map it to the new string, or I want simply to append x to the each string. So let's try, or else so next method in the stream API is the pick method. So pick method is basically used for the debug purpose. Okay, so let me explain. So first what I want to convert this each element of the string into the new string using appending some particular character. So let's try. Words dot stream API stream, then I will use the function called as a map, right? We have already seen it, right? Map. Then what I want, each element map to the some particular string appending the particular character. Let's consider the particular character as a zz. So what I am doing, I am appending the zz to the each string now, and now I will collect it by using the collectors method. Collectors dot to list, and then I will simply display by using the for each. Okay, let's run it. So here you can see we have appended the zz to each string, means we have transformed the each element of the string to the new string element, right? Now but I want, if the sometime happen that your output is not as expected, whatever you are expecting, you are not getting that output, that time you need to debug, right? You need to check what are the element we are giving to this map function, whether we are giving the wrong input or something like that. You want to debug it, so that time you can use the pick method here. So you can use the pick method and you can simply display what you are giving the input to the map function. So what I am doing, I have used pick method in between the stream and map. Before going transforming this each element, before using this map element, I want to check whether I am giving the correct input or not. So I want to check the element from this stream, right? So I have used the pick method, and in pick method whatever you want you can do it. So I have simply display the each element here. So let's try now. Let me display on a single line so that we can directly compare. Let me do it for the here also. Run as Java application. So here you can find I am giving the input as a this string, and from this string I am getting the output. So like that we can display or we can debug our input, whatever the stream element we can debug here by using the pick method. So we have seen the three methods here, very useful methods: limit, skip and pick. Limit basically process the only that number of the element, skip will skip the particular number of the element, and pick is used for the debug purpose. So that's it all about the limit, skip and pick method in the stream API.